Hi everyone, this is the second video in the IDR for Cin7 Core series. IDR standing for Intelligent Document Recognition, and there's a new function that's available within Cin7 Core that allows you to scan documents and automatically upload them to Cin7, whereas previously you could only do that via import from spreadsheets, but this now allows you to do it from other file types such as PDF and JPEG. Where this can be really useful is if you get orders that come via PDF from your customers, or even for purchase invoices from suppliers. In the previous video we looked at purchases for invoicing and delivery notes, and today we're going to be taking a look at how this function can be used for sales. So whereas in the purchasing video it can be used for delivery notes and invoices from your suppliers, for sales it can currently only be used for importing of sales orders, but if you get lots of orders in PDFs from your customers, it can be a really good way of efficiently getting them into the system. So first of all, you will need to make sure you have the IDR function turned on as part of your subscription, and you can do that by heading to your user, my subscription, and adding it. Once you have this to your account, you'll then have this new option available, as you can see on my screen here, which is import or extract from file. We can click this and we can click extract from file. Once this is opened, we can then see any previous documents we've uploaded and also upload our own documents. So this is where we'd upload the document that we've received from our customer that may have been perhaps a purchase order from our customer. So we can select that document. Once we select that document, it will then be added to our list down here, and we can see that it's currently processing and it's checking the AI mapping. So what Cin7 is now doing is it's looking at your document and trying to map those fields to Cin7 Core. The process doesn't take too long, so it should only do a couple of minutes. I could have prepared one earlier, but I'd like to do it in the video just so you can see how long it actually takes. And once we select refresh, you can now see it has completed its mapping. So what we can do is we can go ahead and select check AI mapping. Once we've done that, we can see on the right hand side our document which we have uploaded, which is a purchase order from our customer, and we have our component line details. On the left hand side of our mapping table we have the fields that it's extracted from the document, and on the right hand side you can map that to the fields that are available within Cin7 Core. So vendor name in here is which is picked up from the document. We can then choose to map that to a field that's available in Cin7. So we're going to map that to contact, and we can do that for each of the individual pieces of information in here. So invoice date is sales order date, total doesn't need a mapping in this case. Purchase order number maps to customer reference, which is correct. It's mapped our address details for us, and other information such as customer name, email address, due dates, and also line items of that particular item such as product name, product code, etc., etc. Once we're happy with the mapping and we've checked it from our document to Cin7's fields, we can then submit that ready for approval. Once we submit that to awaiting approval, you can see it's now in Cin7 as awaiting for approval sales order with the customer's information. The details is extracted from the document. We can ensure the mapping if the product is correct. If it's not, we can remap that to a different item if it's not correct. And once we're happy, we can mark this as approved. It'll let us know if there's any errors with the order, missing mandatory fields, sales rep. If you don't have a default one, that will likely error because that will not be on the customer's document. Again, we can mark this as approved. It will let us know if there are any further errors. If for any reason you're not happy with the document, you can use the decline function, and that will not accept the document, and we may need some further information from the customer. And once we've approved that document, That will then convert this into a simple sales order in the system, and that is now ready for processing. And if we head to the attachment section, we can see the customer's purchase order number has also been attached for us as well. So a really great function, really useful if you get lots of orders from your customers in PDF format that you're having to manually enter in Cin7 or convert to a spreadsheet, then import to the system. So this can really save you a lot of time. As always, if you have any questions or if you need us to cover anything further, please do let us know, and I hope this helps with the new IDR function in Cin7 Core. Thank you for watching.